Hello, thank you for coming today. I'm happy we can meet.
Hello. Thank you for meeting with me. I want to know how Sam is doing.
I have good news. Sam is a joy to teach. He comes to class prepared, he listens carefully, and he works quietly.
Oh, that's wonderful to hear.
Yes, Sam is responsible. I can depend on him.
Sam is a little shy. Does he have friends?
Yes, he does. He is quiet, but he is kind. Other students often ask Sam for help. I see him at lunch with a small group of friends. They laugh, and they enjoy their time together.
Good. That makes me feel better. And how are his grades?
Sam works very hard. He studies regularly. He does great on tests and quizzes. His grade is very high.
Wow, really? I'm so proud of him.
Yes, he deserves praise. He is a smart and hard-working student. But I also want to share one thing. Sam can improve in one area.
Oh, okay. What is it?
Sometimes Sam loses focus. He talks during lessons, and he gets distracted.
I understand. That is not good.
Don't worry, we can help him. Let's make a simple plan. First, we can use a reward. For example, good behavior equals extra playtime.
Yes, that can work. Sam likes rewards.
Also, I offer extra help before school. If Sam comes early 2 days a week, he can improve quickly.
Yes, I can bring him early. We will do it. Lately, Sam seems quiet at home. He looks sad sometimes.
I noticed that too. He is more reserved in class.
Sam said someone made unkind comments.
That is not okay. No student should feel unsafe at school. I will handle this. I will speak to the student, and I will support Sam.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I can also change Sam's seat, so he sits near a supportive friend.
Yes, that will help.
Sam is a good student. He can do even better.
Yes, I believe in him.
With support at school and support at home, Sam will grow more confident every day.
Thank you for helping Sam.
It's my pleasure. I want him to succeed.